In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text vertical in Google Docs. If you've ever wanted text to run top to bottom for a label, a sidebar, or a design element, Google Docs doesn't rotate text directly in the document body. The simplest, cleanest way is to use the built-in drawing tool, which lets you rotate a text box exactly where you want it. With your document open, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then hover over Drawing and select New. This opens a drawing canvas on top of your document. Think of it as a mini design space where you can place shapes and text before you bring them into the page. Inside the drawing window, click the text box icon. It looks like a small square with a T in it. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your text box. Don't worry about getting the size perfect right now. You can resize it at any time. Once the box appears, type your text. While you're here, use the formatting toolbar to set the font, size, color, and alignment so it looks the way you want. If your text is long, you can widen or lengthen the box so every word fits comfortably, or add line breaks for better spacing. Now, let's make it vertical. Above the text box, you'll see a small circular handle. Click and drag that handle to rotate the box. To get truly vertical text, rotate it to 90 degrees for one direction or 270 degrees for the opposite direction. If you want a precise, clean rotation, move slowly as you drag so it snaps into place along those main angles. You can also fine-tune the angle visually until it looks perfectly upright. As you rotate, keep an eye on how your text wraps inside the box. You can always adjust the box's width and height to keep everything readable. When you're happy with the rotation and styling, click Save and Close in the top right corner of the drawing window. The rotated text now appears right in your document as a drawing object. It will look crisp and aligned, and it behaves like a single element on the page. Because it's a drawing, it keeps its rotation exactly as you set it. That's all there is to it. Using the drawing tool gives you a quick way to make vertical text in Google Docs while staying fully in control of the angle and the formatting, so your document looks polished and intentional.